Hello everyone. Today shall discuss circle graph or pie chart. Have you ever come across data represented in a circular form as shown in figure 5.4? The time spent by child during a day is given here. Display 3 hours, others 3 hours, homework 4 hours, sleep 8 hours, school 6 hours. Age groups of people in a town 0 to 14 years 30,000, 20,000 60 years and above, 50,000 15 to 60 years. These are called circle graphs or pie chart. A circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its parts. Here the whole circle is divided into sectors. The size of each sector is proportional to the activity or information it represents. For example, in the above graph, the proportion of the sector for hours spent in sleeping. Number of sleeping hours 8 hours, whole day 24, that is 1 by 3. So this sector is done as 1 by third part of the circle. Similarly, the proportion of the sector for hours spent in school, that is 6 by 24, is 1 by 4. So this sector is done 1 by 4th of the circle. Similarly, the size of other sectors can be found. Add up the fractions for all the activities. Do you get the total as 1? A circle graph is called a pie chart. Each of the following pie charts gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle representing each of these information. This is 50% girls, 15% boys, 50% boys. It is walking 40%, cycling 20%, bus or car 40%, hate 15%, love 100 minus 15, that is percentage, right? Answer the following questions based on the pie chart in figure 5.6. This one, which type of programs are viewed the most? You see this one, that is entertainment 50%, informative 10%, news 15%, sports 25%. Viewers watching different types of channels on TV. Which two types of programs have a number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel? You can find from here only, right? Drawing pie chart. How to draw pie charts? The favorite flavors of ice creams for students of a school is given in percentage as follows. Flavors: chocolate 50%, vanilla 25%, other flavors 25%. Percentage of students preferring the flavors. Let us represent this data in a pie chart. The total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. The central angle of the sectors will be a fraction of 360 degree. We make a table to find the central angle of the sectors. That is chocolate flavors. Chocolate. Students in percent preferring the flavors 50%, in fraction 50 by 100 is 1 by 2. Fraction of 360, the 1 by 2 of 360, that is 180. 1 by 4, 25%, 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 360 of 360 is 90. 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 360, that is 90 degree. Draw a circle, right? The angle of the sector for chocolate is 180 degree. Use a protractor to draw angle AOB, that is 180 degrees. So continue making remaining sectors, that is 90 degree, and it is also 90. Other flavors is also 90 degree. Adjoining pie chart, figure 5.7. Here this one gives the expenditure in percentage of various items and savings of a family during a month. On which item the expenditure was maximum? Here you see the maximum is on food, that is 25%. Expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of the family. If the monthly savings of the family is rupees 3,000, what is the monthly expenditure on clothes? You can find all these from this pie chart. Expenditure is maximum on food. So expenditure on education for children is the same, 15% as the savings of the family. Here you see, this is savings 15%, and education for children is also 15%. 15% represent 3,000, therefore 10% represent 3,000 by 15 into 10, that is rupees 2,000. On a particular day, the sales in rupees of different items of a baker's shop are given below. Ordinary bread 320, fruit bread 80, cakes and pastries 160, biscuits 120, others 40, total 720. Draw a pie chart for this data. We find the central angle for each sector. Here the total sale is rupees 720. We thus have this table. Sales 320. In fraction 320 by 720 is 4 by 9. Central angle 4 by 9 into 360, that is 160. Biscuits 120. 120 by 720, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 360, that is 60 degree. Cakes and pastries 1 by 60, 160 by 720, that is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 into 360, that is 80 degree. And fruit bread 80, 80 by 720, that is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 into 360, that is 40 degree. And others 40, 40 by 720, 1 by 18. 1 by 18 into 360, that is 20 degree. Thus, we can make the pie chart as follows. Biscuits here is 60 degree, cakes and pastries 80 degrees, fruit bread 40 degree, others 20 degree, and ordinary bread 160 degree. Now here you see, in this way you can make various pie charts. Try this. Draw a pie chart of the data given below. The time spent by child during a day: sleep 8 hours, school 6 hours, homework 4 hours, play 4 hours, others 2 hours. You can make a pie chart. Think, discuss and write. The which form of graph would be appropriate to display the following data. Production of food grains of a state: year 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Production in lakh tons: 60, 50, 70, 55, 80, 85. Choice of food for a group of people. Favorite food is North Indian. Number of people 30. South Indian 40. Chinese 25. Others 25. 120. The daily income of a group of a factory seller, factory in workers. Daily income in rupees 75 to 100. 100 to 125. Number of workers in a factory. Right? We can make various bars, diagrams, and pie charts to represent the various table. Now we'll do the exercises of pie chart or circle graph. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.